Hello guys, hello, good morning. Hello guys, hello. So there's a high right there, a buy low right here. This low was broken right there. We got that break of structure. Yes, so it's a Monday and I'll be looking to enter a trade. If I get a good entry, okay. Assalamu alaikum. Those who trade aggressively, they might have got this entry right there. Probably their stop loss somewhere above their targeting the low. Yeah, they would have got that entry right there. Those went aggressively. But for my case, I'm always waiting for a break of this, that high right there, before I can get my entry. Okay. Mm, 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 Yeah, there was a break of structure right there, like I said. I will mark this one as yellow. Okay. I guess I need to also change the color of this. Let's see. Green. Guys, good morning and welcome to the stream. It's been a while since I've been live streaming. I've been having power shortages and my Wi-Fi hasn't been that good. Okay, thanks for liking the stream. I appreciate it, and remember to subscribe as well. Okay, so uh, I'm looking to sell. I'm looking to sell. This is a good setup for me to sell, but I'll be looking for. I need to get that break of this side right there. Okay. Uh, only sales. Only sales. Okay. Just like that. How is everyone doing? And yeah, let's get a break here, and I'll be looking to short the market. This is what I'm looking for, and boom, then I can get that sale. That's for AUD card. Okay. I'll go ahead and set this alarm right there so that I get notified when it triggers right there. But for some reason, the market is unable to break above. There's a stronger resistance right there. Okay. What else? What else? What else? Let me see. Which other player can I check? I want to be able to check these pairs without adding them up here. It will be somehow congested because let me see. AUD, I think you might be able to add another the same pair on that toolbar for some reason. It's weird. Oh, okay. I can't add the same pair up there, so it's better. That's good. So maybe what I'll be doing, if I save that pair, I can always remove it and open another one. Let's check. No, I wanted to put. I wanted to do what? I wanted to check this one right here. I guess I'll just leave. I'll just add all the pairs there, anyways. There's not much of a difference, anyways. This will be exact USD. What else? Okay, so I'll be also changing the color. If you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe and like the stream. Okay, let's get those numbers up. And let's do the analysis to see what we have today. It's a Monday, don't forget, guys. It's a good Monday. Everyone is excited. Every trader is excited. It's a Monday, okay. Okay, let's see. We shall consider this as our high right there. That will be our high. Then we shall have our low right there. This will be the low right there. What else? Then a low right there. There was a break of structure. Oh, wow. I'm not considering this as a low actually, because I don't see it being as clear as I would want it to be. Yeah, it lacks a few things. So I would consider this as my low right there. Hello there. Yo, Noob, how are you doing? Good to see you guys. Welcome to the stream and subscribe, okay? If you're new to my channel, we have a low right there which was broken, okay? Get that break of structure. What else? We have a low right there, okay? Then this high was the one which was broken, okay? Broken at that level right there. So I'm trying to mark the structure. Okay, if you're new to trading, this will be nice for you to notice how I mark the structures. Okay, boom, bada bam, boom. But what's the bias on the higher time frame? Before you can get your entries on the lower time frame, it's always good you know the bias of the market. Currently, the market is showing that pull back up. For some reason, it seems that the market wants to close this gap right there. Market wants to close the gap right there before it can continue either going down or this might be a reversal anyways. Okay, there's a chance it could be a reversal. So if I wanted to sell this market, this wouldn't be a good entry. It wouldn't be a good entry at all. It's not a good entry. So when I checked on the higher time frame, I see there's some kind of a bullish move. Okay, but that's for the higher time frame. So it wouldn't be a good idea to be looking for sales when the higher time frame is kind of bullish. I would be lying to myself. Okay. So I'll go ahead and check another pair. We see what we have. I'll go ahead and check another pair. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Okay, I'm back, guys. Yeah, let's continue with the analysis. Okay. If I'm able to be having a stable internet connection throughout the day, I'm going to be live streaming throughout. Okay, it will depend anyways. Unless if I get an emergency and I have to go, but I'll be live streaming throughout the daytime. Okay. So make sure you're logged in and subscribed if you're new to the channel. Okay, so this is the market structure shift right there. I'll definitely label it. Yo, let's see what's happening on USD JPY. If there's anything, USD JPY. So I'll let you know, guys, the reason why I'm going to be trading almost all the pairs I have here on Xness is because for my setup, to get an A plus setup, I need to be watching almost all the pairs I have because it's really hard to get an entry. So I need to watch all of them if I can, then so that I could be filtering out the A plus setups instead of trying to trade every setup. It's not good at all. I need to filter out the best setups. So I'm going to be only trading A plus setups for my strategy, and I would like you guys to watch me do it live if I'm able to have electricity throughout. Okay. So what we have here, I see a low here. We have a low. This is a low right there, a high right there, which was broken. I'll zoom in. Let me zoom in so you can see clearly what's happening. Let me zoom in. Okay, I think there it's much clear. I think that's the better way of draw that high. We have a break of structure here. A break of structure right there. I have a high right there. Have a high. Let's see. Okay, this would be the right one here. Okay. Boom. Just like that. Uh, this is a USD JPY. Hi everyone, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I don't know what's happening to my internet, but it is what it is. So I will go ahead and set an alarm here, right there. If I get notified, then you can see if I would execute the trade. This was just some kind of a liquidity sweep right there. It wasn't that much, So that's what we have on USD JPY. USD HKD right there. What's the higher time frame telling us? Let's see. Okay, that's, oh man, this is some kind of weird movement. I don't think this will be among my favorite pair to trade because what? Which kind of wicks are those? I guess I'm going to remove this from my favorites. Then I'll check USDF, CHF. I'll go ahead and change the colors of the candlesticks. Green, green, green. Just like that. So I'll go ahead and mark the structure. So we shall consider this as our low and this as the high. If you go further, you notice that a new high was created after this. Let me zoom in so you can see clearly what happened. Oh man, I'm on the 1 minute. Anyway, I'll draw that again. That's the valid high right there. Right there. So I'll be waiting for market to either create that break below before I could be looking for the buys. This is a break of structure. And I'm going to set an alarm right here. Boom, bada bam, boom, bada bam, boom. what am I going to be expecting? I'm going to be expecting a push down below before I could be looking for a push above. Okay, but I need also to confirm with the higher time frame. I see what's happening over there. But if you check very well, this area is there's a resistance right there. It's not a good area to be looking for buys. Okay, this is so bad. This is a bad area right there. So I'm going to check the next pair. That will be USD card. USD card right there. You can always let me know in the comment section which pair you want me to check analysis, and I share my thoughts. Okay, guys, welcome to the stream. Subscribe and like the stream if you're new to the channel. I'm doing a market analysis for forex pairs. Okay, so if I zoom out, we're in some kind of a downtrend. We're in some kind of a downtrend right there. Okay, so if I check very well, we had this was like some kind of market structure shift up somewhere around there. Somewhere around there. Then boom, boom, had that break. Oh man, I'm on the 1 minute again. This is a low right there. A high right there. Okay, there's a low right there. Boom, BOS market structure shift right there, and boom, boom, we get a BOS right there. Market is selling. Another break of structure right there. Okay. Yeah. So I would be looking for sales right there, but there's no setup yet, so I'll be waiting patiently for the setup. Be waiting patiently for the setup. Right there. See what happens. Time frame moving not so bad, but boom, USD card. So if I zoom out, you notice this market is still under this range right there. Oh wow! So it made a, oh my god! This would have been a nice entry, because that's a break market structure shift right there. I'll check if I would have won this entry right there. See what's happening. This would have been a nice one right there. Boom, bada bam, boom, bada bam, boom. Oh wow! High right there. What that is. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's the low right there. The high right there. Oh wow, 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 wow. Boom. Also, this was a market structure shift right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nasdaq USD. This is a Nasdaq USD. This was a 1 minute market structure shift. Oh wow, this was a nice entry, but this would have been a high right there. Probably stop was somewhere around there. What for? Somewhere around there. So meaning actual stop right is here, yeah. Boom bam. Stop loss should have been there. So like I want to 2.5. Okay. This would have been a nice one. But the bad thing would have been the high time frame bias. The high time frame bias would have been the challenging thing. Let's see what we have. Would I have taken this entry? Oh man, I would have taken this entry. It's like I would be trading in a bullish market. Oh man. But for some reason it worked out anyway. It did work out. Not the best entry though. So this would have been a break of structure. There's a very low right there. So this is currently like this is the bullish market right there. But they say if I get a setup, be like this. But higher time frame is really bullish on this one here. Okay, so it's kind of dangerous to sell when the market is bullish. Pretty weird, guys. Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm marking out market structures and doing market analysis and showing you setups with my strategy on a different kinds of pairs. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and like the stream. Subscribe and like the stream. Okay. So what else for NZUSD? This is it right there. This is what we're having. Okay. We're having that move right there. What is it? So I'll go ahead and get another pair to do analysis. But yeah, That's it for Nasdaq USD. Let's see which other pair I'll do the analysis. Nasdaq USD, Nasdaq GPY. Okay, this is Nasdaq GPY. Nasdaq GPY right there. I'll go ahead and change the candlestick colors. Remember to subscribe and like the stream if you're new to my channel. Okay. If I zoom out, we are in a massive bullish market right now in a small pullback. Okay, but overall, boom, boom, boom. So, we shall consider this as our high right there for the start, then our low right there, somewhere around there roughly. Then I'll go ahead and zoom in. I'll go ahead and zoom in so it's clear. So it's very, very clear. Okay. Okay, we have a high right there. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Wow, the next high is somewhere around here. That's our next high right there. Wow, that's a big range. That's a big range right there. Our next low is here. Look, look, look. Next low right there. Okay, just like that. What would I be looking for on Nasdaq GPY? I'd be looking for something of this kind if I could be looking for the buys. But what's the high time frame saying currently? Oh man, the high time frame is looking nice. The high time frame is looking very, very nice. Despite there's some kind of resistance right there, I would be so careful. I'd be so careful. You see, there's a supply zone right there. There is a big supply zone right there. So this is dangerous to go for buys at this level right there. Pretty dangerous. Okay. But yeah, the high time frame for real, it's bullish. It is definitely bullish, no doubt about that. Okay. Hey, kyekiriwo zizo kansooke ndye ku z'abakazi bwe tolina gira ofune ate bagambye abayitawo ku luguudo baba baki abola abambadde sikaati ku luguudo babeera ki kyekiriwo obadde obuze obadde walagawa kweli obeera ngaeri wansi mpozi ng'ocapaacapa ki olima muceere oli kuki maali weebuli gundi egenda ekyuka mpola mpola kyensigazza baleeta ebipale bimalayo kitegeera nga maali zibaawo bino nomala obingiramu oyinza olaluka oyinza olaluka tuli eno tufiirwa ssente mpola mpola bino byateekayo kano kalya kali tekalya siraye oba obisobola ebyo kano kalya kali tekalya oba gyabisobola kweri ize ize so that's it for Nasdaq USD. Alright. So I'll go ahead and select the next pair. What do we have? Nasdaq JPY. Let's see what we have. Okay. Yeah. 7. Most pairs are kind of bullish. Just need to get a good entry and boom, execute accordingly. High, low, right there. Yeah. So there's a high right there. Let's see. Oh man. Okay, just like that. Boom. What else? We have a low right there. This low got broken from there. Here right there. Boom, bada bam, boom. Okay. The higher time frame is massively bullish. Massively bullish. This is somehow similar, but we have a resistance on the left. We have a big resistance. This will need us be very careful. That's a valid high right there. That's a valid high right there. Boom. High time frame is yeah, definitely very bullish. High time frame is very bullish. gbpjpy. I'll go ahead and check gbpjpy. See what we have. Okay, that's a UPSD. So actually, I'll first mark this flow here, then we can begin from there. This flow right there, and boom. Okay. Which high led to that break? Probably this one right there. That's the high that led to the break of structure. If I adjust it, it's, oh man, the mouse is clicking it so right there. Come on. Right here, boom, right there. So what we have? What do we have? Yeah. Okay, that's all right there. We was better this trade, we'll be targeting that low right there. Okay. Oh man, this was a nice market structure shift right there. Oh my god, this is bad. And I was using the 1 minute. I always, for some weird reason, I was using the 1 minute. This is so bad. Which is the valid high? Let me see. Okay, actually, this. Oh man. let me begin from this side because I'm seeing there's some kind of a structure shift somewhere. Okay, especially when you begin from this side right here, there is definitely a structure shift. Okay, let's let's be careful while drawing this stuff. Okay. Okay, anyway, I could change it and put it right here because we have this break right there, and this is the load that led to that break. This one right here, we have that high right there. That's the high which got broken. Guys, thank you so much for liking the stream, and I appreciate it. Remember to also subscribe. Remember to also subscribe. So that's the value break of structure. Meaning, if I check very well, since we are kind of bullish, okay, this would be the valid high right there. Guys, thank you so much. Please, thank you so much for liking the stream. I appreciate it so much. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, I appreciate it so much, guys. I appreciate. Okay, so this would be the valid low right here. This one right here. Okay, boom, barabam, boom, boom. Yeah, this one right there. This is the valid low right there. Okay, so what would I be looking for? A win buys? Let's see. Not really. Market is it's bullish, fine, but we're in that kind of a pullback. Okay, so we can't really tell when this is going to happen. This buy right there is going to happen. We can't say really. This is GBP USD. This is a GBP USD. We can't really tell. I need to see those candles showing that momentum of really going bullish, just like that. Okay, but we can't really tell when this pullback is going to be exhausted. Okay, guys, thank you so much for the likes. Hello there. Let's see. Is it a buckle? Uh, I try really to read Arabic. I really just try. Abakar, how are you doing? Let me hope I've read your name very well. Hi there. Welcome to the stream, and please subscribe if you need the channel. And yeah, I appreciate you tuning in and yeah, and supporting the channel. Let me hope you've liked the stream, and thank you so much for joining. Okay, let's see what we have. What we have here, what we have here. Let's see. Boom, 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 bada bam, boom. A break there. So this would be our 1 minute structure right there. But even though how much I would want to buy here, it's really not really a straightforward entry. I need to be very, need to be very careful about it. Okay. So boom, that's our level right there. That's our level right there. And if you check very well, market broke that level from there. Market broke the level from there. Where would my entry be? My entry would definitely be somewhere around here. Meaning if I enter, I've already missed this entry. Let's see. Boom. Probably I would have that entry there. Then I'll be putting my stop loss right there. Let's see. Yeah, there. It's a nice one. Nice one right there. Okay. Catering for the spread. Catering for that spread. I would have missed this trade, but let's see. Then I would be targeting. I want for risk to reward. Let's see. Wait. On a normal days. Okay. Let me see where I would put my stop loss. My TP. I'm trying to see where my TP would have been. Boom, boom. Okay. Okay. Meaning my stop loss would have been. My stop loss would be. My TP. I mean, sorry guys. My take profit would have been somewhere around there. Then for my stop loss would be definitely be below that protected the high, but catering for the spread somewhere there. Oh man, this would have been a nice entry, like seriously. But first of all, let's see what would have been the momentum. It's always good you also cater for the momentum of the market. The momentum of the market is also something good. I wouldn't have entered this trade. I wouldn't have entered. Yeah, market was in that pullback. I would have ignored it somehow. I always want to have those entries, for example, like somewhere around here. But this is not a good entry. It wouldn't have been a good entry, even though it hit take profit. I wouldn't have considered it. Okay, I wouldn't have considered that entry right there. So this is an ignored entry. Okay, ignored entry right there. Because I have rules I follow, so I wouldn't take any entries. Okay, I would have ignored this entry even though it would have hit take profit. Did you leave? Oh, I've been subscriber for long time. Why did you leave armed haste? Why did you leave armed haste? Let me know if you're back on, so I can let you know why I left haste. Okay. Let me know when you're back on, so I can let you know I left haste. Okay. This is the market structure sheet. This is kind of weird, man. This market going to buy. There's high chance this is going to turn green because of that trend line, but trying to get those A plus setups. I don't want to get any entries. This is not it. gbpjpy took gbp, I mean USD, some good time of mine doing data analysis. Let's see what's up with gbp Nasdaq. Let's see. This is gbp Nasdaq. gbp Nasdaq. gbp Nasdaq right there. So we'd assume that would be our low. Our high right there. Got that break below. Boom. Our high right there. Boom. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Oh man, still on there. Let's see. So yeah, this would be the value high again. High. When I check on the higher time frame, we massively bearish, meaning I'll be looking for sales. I'll be looking for those sales. If I get that entry, meaning I'll just set an alert right there. See what happens. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. All right. Let's see what's happening on gbpjpy. Do I have an alert on gbpjpy? Let's see. Okay, it's right there. 173 something. 371. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, I'll just keep waiting on those alerts. We see if one of them gets triggered. Kale nyabo yebale omukadde ono njagala agire gundi bijanjaalo muceere n'akatooke mugamba ntereko fooko ate fooko zange ziri eyo bbiri chef. So this low here, after the gap down, this low here led to that break above, as you can see. Okay. Oh my God. I don't know how I missed this entry, but oh my God, this is so bad. I think hi there. Oh man. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is so bad. This is so bad. This is the market structure shift right there. Exactly what I'm always waiting for. This is exactly what I'm always waiting for, but for some reason, oh my God, let's see what's happening on the high time frame. Even the high time frame is kind of consolidating somehow. So weird, so weird, so weird, so weird. This would be a weird entry, like seriously. But we kind of bullish, even though, despite what we are having. In a bullish market, we'll be going bullish. Bullish, brother. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Okay. Anyway, oops. Not a good entry. Not a good entry at all. But if it is able to come back, I can have that entry. I swear. I'm going to enter. I'm going to enter. Because the low is right there. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I got a notification. Boom. It's not so clear, but it's happening. No, 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 it's not happening. Yango ndetereko. Bulungi, osibye otya? Ekirako wano mwana tulage. Onyaka kisaako otuziye. If we could get something like this, I'll be looking for that entry right there. Yebale baba. Kale. Ako kaliko ebyo ekitundu. Nja kugiramu essatu. Twaliyeko ebiri bbiri ezitwala. Kale. If like I said, if I could get a break outside, then I'll test inside here. I'll definitely go in for for that entry. I'll just set my entry right there. Okay, and boom, target somewhere around there. Probably stop loss somewhere, boom, bam, somewhere around there. Yeah, and target where it would be. Okay, that would be the bias right there. This is on GBP, CHF. Guys, like the stream and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Definitely that would be my entry right there. Okay, that would be my entry. So what I'm going to do, I'll actually set to two alerts. I will go ahead and set two alerts. One right here after the break, then the okay, then the other one would be somewhere around there, because market might come and again give us that good market structure shift before boom we could push up, because the 1 minute market structure shift has not happened yet. Hey, bitano what's happening? Guys, subscribe and like the stream. Let's go. Just a second. I'll finish a few things here. Hello guys, I'm back. Back. Let's continue. Let's see what we have. Okay, so yeah, I've already set the alerts on GBP CHF. I'll go ahead and check another pair. See which pair we have. Yeah. Okay. What else? That's it for gbpjpy. Let's see GBP cards. What we have? Let's see if we have GBP card right there. Okay. Currently on that rundown, selling the market. We are definitely selling, massive selling. Let me zoom in. Subscribe and like the stream. Okay. Boom, bada bam, boom, 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 boom. Okay. Valid door is right here. Okay. Why is see how I missed this entry. This is so bad. This is too bad. Only 1 minute again. Oh my god. This is so bad. Bad stuff. So far I don't see any good entry on a GBP card. I'll just move and see another pair what we have. gbpjpy. Oh man, we might have something here. Something might happen here. The only bad thing is that this supply zone, right there. That would be the only bad thing about taking a buy on this. That's the only challenging thing I see. Other than that, this is a failed candlestick here. It failed massively. GBP AUD. Mm. Mm. Where is this sign? Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. I think it's because maybe it's a Monday. It will be some a bit hard to get an entry, but it's okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. What do we have? We have a low right there. Kugambye kibadde bubire eno
kati mukadde ngambye nti oba ne foko zennyini zimubuza
nze zange
ngambye nti oba kasandikira keeko
zezino n'akasandikira nsubira keeko bakali ka green kekali okokka kekano neyanza okay, nothing good here. Okay, I see. No, of course I will leave another right there. And bada bam boom, bada bam boom. In case it gets figured, then what else? Euro Nasdaq. Euro JPY. Seems like there's nothing good. This pair, not really. USD. I think I should. Let me see your GBP. Hello there. You want me to give you want me to give you my gaming account? I still have it. But I can't give it out, okay? Yeah. Unless if you want to, but how can I transfer the information to your account? Because I think it's possible anyways, but it uses my email, so I can't share my email. That's the thing. GBP. Euro GBP. Yeah, and I don't think I'll ever play Amnest again. Like, seriously, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know really. But you never know. You never know. But I'm still like I still have hopes of playing games in the future. So my account can be there. We see. You never know. You never know. So it wouldn't be a good idea for me to play my account right now, because you never know. Anything can always happen, and you need the account. When I check here, this might be there might be an entry confirmation here, but let's see. Because when I check very well, this is a good high right there. Wait. Let me first draw that high right there in a good way. Boom. This would have been an entry, but it wasn't confirmed very well. So it's weird kinda. You're level 50 and you haven't received a gold weapon. Okay, you will receive it. Just keep on grinding. That's what we also kept doing. Okay, we were grinding that game big time. You can do the same. It's not so hard, anyways. Not so hard. You just need to give the game a lot of time. That's the only bad thing about it, anyways. But just like any other games, so the difference is very small. You need to grind for the what? For the things you'd be having in the game, anyways. Yeah. Let me check Euro CHF. See what we have. Why are all the pairs beginning at 1 minute. It's so annoying, man. So. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Oh, but Eesh. The bad thing about this entry, oh man, we have a support level right there. This is so bad. This is so bad. The this is yeah, this is not really a game. These are the this is forex. This is forex trading. Yeah, you could call it some kind of a game. Okay, and yes, I love playing this game now. As simple as that. Let's see what we have on Euro AUD. Oh man, I wish you could just set the colors of the charts, all of them to be one, but for some reason you set one, the others you need to set them as well uh, separately. It's tiresome, like seriously. This is so tiresome. What do we have there? What do we have? What do we have? kale kale fulani number 07 89 46 68 55 elect Absalom. Guys, welcome to the stream. Subscribe and like if you are new to the channel. Okay, this is what is happening on AUD/USD. Yeah, I'll be looking for buys, but after I get that confirmation, anyways, because even the setup is not there. The setup is not there. Okay, yeah, but the bias is bullish. Let's see what's happening on AUD Nasdaq. Drop a like and subscribe the channel. Let's see what's happening on AUD Nasdaq. What we have, we are on that pullback. Market kind of on that bullish pullback, going up for some time, so it can continue going down. Karibu tulioko izee jangu oyagala ki? Airtime. Haya, sente ziriwa? Kale linda nkuwa akapapula. Haya, nazoteekako gye bya 10. Kale nteereddeko okay. AUD Nasdaq right there. Actually, I'll be changing the colors of these pairs when I'm like about to trade that pair, because it's becoming a bit tiresome. Change every pair of change the color of every pair. Hectic and tiresome, man. Let's see AUD. Oh man, still looking for those sales on AUD card. For Burundi, Sibyotia. Sasule. Lunaku lumu sente zolese zinamala. Simanyi kitabo kyange nabyo kiweddemu. Olwako nnyingi nga 3 biramba. Jjukira asasula 2,138. Weerabidde. Kansasulire kuno kuba nnyadde eriko ekyangamba. Sibitegeera byeriko. N'okwongerako ssente ate. Yitaddeko ssente nnyingi. Amazima amala kangezese. Sobola. Ena akakamaali ka bbeeyi kaliko n'ekitundu. Naye leera tuteesa ebbugumu eriri mu si lya muzannyo. Tuteesa tekirina buzibu. Eyanguye. Abo mbanja balansi y'omeka. Natandika wandiika ne balansi wa kasitoma. Naye buzibu. Bakasitoma abamu oluusi asasulako lunaku lumu, oluusi n'ayagala asule wiiki, oluusi n'akyusa. Kati toyinza sigala ku gundi y'omu. Kiwedde. Kuki? Baddeko olukumi olubaddeko. Abadde alina osasula mmeka? Mmeka 2 mmeka? 2,130 mmeka? Zibeere olukumi. Sibitegeera byokwogera.
Balansi asigaddeyo.
Balansi asigaddeyo gy'amulabira awo. Balansi asigadde gy'amulabira awo. Kasita mbaze ekibaga. Kwe deposit mmeka? Line ki Airtel? Namata. Mira yammwe some namba. Mira yammwe kaspa. Mpozi kakyali connected ku internet. Kigo ekirungi. Oyagala emitwalo ekitundu. Oyagala 3,000. Emitwalo 2,300. Aya. Leeta tunyigemu. Tekirina buzibu. Kizira taabu. Taabu. Antibiotics. Ganyugira. Bwemba nga mwagijjawo ku Wi-Fi muwoomi. Mpozi pasu pini eriki? Namata. Pini eriki? Akagulu.
Agode.
Tolwawo kugenda. Mbulako nyina. Bakumanyi nti gw'okikuba kati baba mu kwekweka seeti. Tamanyi bwe tumanyi baliyo just kubanga ebyo byakukozesaako n'oyera n'otereka, oyinza nokyerabira mu luggya ekyeyo, oyinza okukozesa ekyeyo nokyeresa, oyinza nokyerabira mu compound ekyeyo. Bali balinga kyeyo, oyinza nokyerabira n'enkuba n'ekikuba. Naye kati gwe olinga sofa obeera munda wakoowa agala bayonjewo.
Wala ndibulizanga omuceere. Nabuuza omuceere. Kumbe oli muganda wange tolya nnyama.
Era nyinza otumisayo kasupu kyalo munaana.
Olyamu supu?
Badde ki? Ngirawo oyagala. Oyinza okunzigyamu emize.
Omanja?
Manyi simuya nesumbwa taaki. Sooka ogiteere. Eringa oba ekoze kati. Nkuwa minutes?
Za 5. Alojja koleka balance kapu kalina kiki.
Kozi kabadde ka kigo. Soma.
41, 98, 75, 77.
Wali nyabo? Line chi? Meka? Number? Dennis yupi? Yeah. By the way, what's happening on the higher time frame? Let's see. You man, I really want to sell this market, but it is what it is. Para. Yes, so I've gone into a short break, but yeah, we're still live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what the market does. Anyways, I'm so. Oh man. Yeah, guys. So I'm waiting for a break of that. I think it would be. Oh man, it's going to be kind of a bad setup right there. That's not a good setup, anyway. market had created a 5-minute market structure shift. Before it consolidated, it would have been a very, very good entry for me.